Today is Bharani star. Bharani, Bharani, Bharani in the sense, Bharani and Dharani are rhyming words. Bharani means star, Dharani means world. One who is born in Bharani will rule Dharani. So, it is his idea, it is his concept, it is his happening, it is his fate to rule the world, whether he likes it or not. He has to possess all the administrative qualities and you have to rule the world. That is the Bharani style, that is the star style, that is the star nature, that is the star karma, and that is the star dharma. What is star karma and star dharma? For example, two characters are in Mahabharata. One is Bhima, the other is Duryodhana. Both belongs to Bharani and both are in opposite sides. One is in dharma side and one is in adharma side. So wherever you are born by the star. So Bhima is also Dharani. Bhima is also Bharani star. Duryodhana is also Bharani star. So both are ruling the land. Duryodhana is the king, demi-king. Dhritarashtra is the king there, but he is a king. And his administration is there, done. Here Dharma is the king, but Bhima is the administrator. Bhima is strong, Bhima is powerful. And what we infer, 1 in 10,000 will do bhajans. 1 in lakh will do karma, will do service. And 1 in crore will be a wise man. He is a man of wisdom. So Paramajnanam is the nature of Bharani. So if you have that, if you are 1 in crore, you have to find out the means to be 1 in crore. Whether you like it or not, if you are born in Bharani, you are 1 in crore. So don't plunge into ideas. Don't say any ideas. Keep quiet for some time. And every tick, Tom, Harry around will say many ideas. Let them say. All the attendance register, exhausting 27 stars will stay. Then, and you can easily pick up one idea and that's good. Like that, that's all. If you say your idea, you will be rooted out, you will be killed, you will be missing your chair in the sense. So, don't be angry because all around will be always fools. They are fools not by themselves. They are foolish because you should not be a hero. So they want to dig you. They want to stab you in the back, whatever it is. Or you have one doubt. And Bhima is Bharani and Duryodhana is Bharani. Yes, he must be properly guided. You don't go to the forest to make yajna, to make a puja, or to make meditation, to make any wild meditation. Just a guide. And for example, Duryodhana is guided by Saguni. And Bhima is guided by Krishna. So if you happen to be rule or if you happen to administrate just to guide others, guide anyone, guide. He is not the leader, he is not the president, he is not the chairman, he is just guiding the matter. And he is not the hero also, just a guide. If you guide and you will be getting what? Swarga or Vaikunta or Moksha. Karna did not do any Annadana, but he has guided. Where is Annadana? Oh, you go there Annadana is providing. And he has guided with his index finger. So, all the body of Karna went to Moksha, but his index finger went to Vaikunta, or his index finger went to Moksha. Why? Because he is a man of charity, but he guided, his index finger guided where Annadana is made. So that index finger only goes to Moksha. So that guide, now come to the point, guiding is important. If you guide anyone, no need for any expense, and no wealth is needed, no wealth is needed, and just you have your experience, Atrada Selvame, non-depletable wealth. Non-depletable wealth means it cannot be dried. Such a kind of wealth is with you. That is experience. That is time. That is time management. Have the time management and guide others to be happy. And Sattva, there are three qualities. Number one, Rajas. Number two, Tamas. Number three, Rajas, Tamas and Sattvika. And that Sattvika and Sattva. And Sattva, who is Sattva? And Dharma is good in Sattva. And Duryodhana is good in Rajas and Tamas. So, he is interested in administration and he is interested in intoxication. So was his story. And you will have Rajas and Tamas and Sattva. We are not all rishis. We are not divine. We are not God. We are not all gods. Everything will come to the top. But understand, Sattva will make you, will travel to inner journey. The outer journey will be tired. Outer journey will make you tired. Even if you go for intoxication, you will be flat. But instead of intoxication, if you go inside, Ananda will be there. That Ananda will give you the Sattva Guna, the Sankhya Yoga will give you. So these three yogas, Rajas and Tamas and Sattva, this important Sattva will be guided by you. Who? You are Bharani. If Bharani is in this day, you will be guided by, you will be guided. You will be guided by Tamas. And Tamas, Sattva will be guided by Bharani star. Sattva Gunam. Sattva Guna means Sankhya Yoga. Sankhya Yoga means spiritualism. Spiritual means inner journey. That inner journey technique, Akam Smarami, Akapperin Jyoti, will be guided by this Bharani star. So that Sattva Mahatvam, the importance of Sattvam, the glory of Sattvam, the fame of Sattvam will be taken to every hut, every house, every home in the same manner. All the three qualities. What is all the three qualities? That Mummalam, Karma, Maya and ego. All the three egos will be with you. That is inborn. You cannot root it out at all. But you know how to punish by yourself because you are king. Who will punish you? Nimalam. Parama Kaivalya Nimalam means, and you will puncture all the three egos. Ego or karma or maya or cannot play before you. If you enjoy anything also, you will have enjoyment. At the same time, compensation will be given by you. And the Nimalam, Amalam, Malam, three qualities. Amalam, opposite of Malam. Nimalam, you will control, you will punish by yourself. You will get entangled. The flashback of Purkai Pandian. That Purkai Pandian, golden hand Pandya. His name is Pandya and he had golden hand. So he is named as Golden Hand Pandya. And he is a good Bharani. Why? And he has made a mistake in the night. And he went in the guise of, in the night sentry he went. There he observed one private matter. So, and he tapped the door. Immediately he came back. All the public complained. Someone tapped the door. Who? And who we must punish him. And we will punish him. Immediately he drew the sword and cut his own hand. That is called Parama Kaivalya Nimalam. And even a king of Bharani, if anything is done ill, if anything is done untoward, and he will punish by himself. And that is the nature of Bharani. Even lady Bharanis are always suffering because of self-punishment. No matter, be happy and have good company, be a good guide. Thank you.